Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Shane. So today I thought it would be kind of fun. To be honest, this is kind of a spontaneous video. I never film in this bathroom. It is undone. It is not pretty. The background is not pretty whatsoever. But I was really inspired to film, so I wanted to take advantage and film with you guys tonight. So last time I did a nighttime routine, I think it was years ago, to be honest. I remember I was staying at my husband's boss's house for like a week. We were house sitting, so I didn't mind filming in their bathroom. Their house was beautiful. Mine, not so much. But I hope you can ignore it because today we have some new products to try. So I wanted to kind of film just a full drugstore nighttime routine with you guys. I'm not going to be able to really review any products today because I feel like, especially with skincare, it's going to take some time to get a genuine impression. But I figured it'd be still fun to kind of get like a first impression and just kind of test out a few products. So I hope you guys are excited for today's video. So let's get started. So I did go to Walmart. We just needed a couple of things. So I figured while we're there, we would just stock up on a few things that I was missing. So first thing is first, I'm going to take my headband here and get all these little hairs out of my face. My hair is in a messy bun, but it's falling to bits at the moment, so just to get the hair off of my face. That tag though. We will pull it back. There we go. Alright, so first thing is first, let's see what we even got going on in here. This dial soap is not for the nighttime routine. This, I always keep a foaming cleanser in my bathroom as well as another liquid soap. So like this one is one that T and I use, and then this one is for Ella. So when she washes her hands, it just comes out a little bit easier for a 3-year-old. So there's that. We also have some Centrum multivitamins because I don't take a multivitamin. I give my daughter one every single morning. She has this Paw Patrol multivitamin, but I figured I should probably start taking one, to be honest. But this one is also hair, skin, and nails vitamin as well. So you know what? We actually just bought it today. It's for hair, skin, and nails, healthy appearance, bone and health, energy, and immunity. I did get the gummy ones. If you've been around for any sort of time, you might know that I have a problem with any sort of vitamin that I can't chew. So wow, these smell like butt. But we're just gonna take. It's like the smell is so overpowering. Oh, there's 2 gummies a day. Okay. So I'm gonna put mine right behind hers, so that way when I give her hers in the morning, I can take mine as well. Oh my gosh, I got candles for Ella's birthday party in here. We'll put that aside. I also have this Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner. The one that I've been using from L'Oreal is awful. I finally got used to using it, but it doesn't last. Like halfway throughout my day, one wing will be completely faded and it's driving me bananas. So I figured we would give this one a try. I just want to see it real quick. Oh boy. Brush is a little weird, but we'll give it a try. I need it to stay on my face. And my husband got some stuff. He got some spray, some deodorant. We'll put that aside to him. All right, and then this was the last thing in this bag. I think so. Wait a minute. I'm missing stuff. I was gonna say, I was like, there's no way that I only bought 2 products. I also got this stuff as well and some husband's deodorant. So let's go ahead, let's get started. I'm gonna show you each product that I'm using. We'll give it a try. We'll see how my face kind of feels afterwards. So first thing is first that we're not gonna try today. I didn't wear any makeup today, but you know, of course, my pores are still going to get clogged with dirt and oil, and if I was sweating at all. So it's just, I love having makeup wipes around me. They're just so useful. So I always pick up from Neutrogena, but these are the Deep Clean Purifying micellar cleaning towelettes. Honestly, I would use it to get this off, but we have something else to try today as well, and I don't want to waste any wipes. But this is a big part of my nighttime routine. I have a really bad habit of falling asleep with my makeup on. I just end up staying so late, and I just just don't even think about it, and the next morning my poor face looks like this. So I like to keep these, but again, nothing I'm really going to show you today. So I have quite a bit of products here. So first thing is first, we're going to start with this Biore Free Your Pores Baking Soda. Great for combination skin salicylic acid acne treatment. It's pH balanced and oils free. Honestly, I have acne prone skin, but I never really had really bad issues with acne. I feel like as I'm getting older, especially, the more and more often I'm finding myself just not sleeping in makeup or not really taking care of my skin the way that I should. I'm obviously breaking out more. So I just got something that was more directed toward, you know, acne problems. So we're gonna give it a try. It is brand new, so I'm assuming I gotta turn this little guy. I don't know if it's a foam. It sounds like it's gonna be a foam. Oh, yep. Okay. Let's go ahead. There's like 2.5 pumps there. Get some water going. Let's wash my face. I wet it like a little tiny bit. Ooh. Right away, pleasant smell. Very nice smell. And I must say, I've never used a foaming cleanser before, so it's kind of fun to use. It's kind of, grab my mouth. It's kind of weird though, because it'll go on as a foam, but then like over here where I haven't touched, it's almost disintegrating a little bit. Like it's still obviously there. I didn't wash my face, but it's not like foamy. It tickles a little bit in certain areas, but it feels good. Okay, so face is washed. We're moving on to the next products. Now, I really wish that I wore makeup for today, for today's video in particular, but we're still gonna go on without it. Now, this is the Olay Luminous Micellar Water with Rice Bran Extract. It's Advanced Tone Perfecting. So not only was this a toner, but it also kind of intrigues me because it's a makeup remover. It's infused with rice bran and aloe extract, sweeps away makeup and other impurities in a single step without drying out the skin. So it removes makeup and it hydrates to instantly refresh for luminous pearlescent skin. I really liked the packaging of this though. So we pop off the top here and then it's like a little pump. So it says open lid and turn pump clockwise to unlock. I guess it doesn't matter which way you look at it, right? Press down with a cotton pad to dispense the product. Ooh, whoops. Okay, that might have been too much. So it seems maybe 2 pumps would be fine. But we're just going to start using this all over the face. Of course, it's safe to use on the eyes. It actually even says here, open lid and turn pump. Clockwise hold pad over closed eyes for several seconds, then gently wipe to remove eye makeup. Very sensitive formula. It feels good. There's like no burning. My skin just kind of feels refreshed. You can actually see that there's a little bit of dirt on here. So that's actually good to see that it's genuinely working. The only thing that I'm seeing is that my cotton pad's getting completely destroyed. So I'm just going to grab another one real quick. I'm going to do like half a pump. I don't even need that. And I'm just going to go over the rest of the areas real quick. Wow, okay, it's like still, oh my goodness. Whoops. Did I not? Pretty sure I showered. I don't know, maybe that could even be dirt, but that kind of looks like foundation. Anyways, we know it works, and I do, again, enjoy the packaging, so 2 out of, what, 5 products so far? Good to go? So I'm just giving this a second to cool down. Actually, probably, I don't know what order I should have done this all because I'm doing it all in one kind of go. So it's a little much. So I might not have done this in the perfect order, but it's okay. Before we move on to the next product, just a side note, after using this, my face, it kind of feels a little bit tight, like a very, very subtle tightening feeling, and my face feels a little bit dried out, so definitely have to moisturize after this. But we're gonna move on, try this product next. So this is from St. Ives, is the Acne Control Apricot scrub, and is actually a exfoliation factor. It says gentle, moderate, or deep. This one is a deep exfoliant. And I like that because I don't exfoliate my face all the time, but sometimes it really needs to get off some dead skin and just kind of start over fresh. Ooh. I do enjoy packaging that come in tubs like this, but that is a lot of product. That's a ton of product. So we're actually just going to use what is on the cap here. So it is paraben free, it's oil free, it won't clog your pores. Dispense scrub onto fingertips and massage onto damp skin. Spread in small circular motions and then rinse and glow. For best results, use 3 to 4 times a week. Okay, so my face is completely dry. Let me dampen it again. My face is a little bit wet, so I'm gonna just take a little bit here on the lid. And then we're just gonna use some circular motions to start exfoliating our skin. So even though I just dampened my skin, as I'm exfoliating here, it's drying up. So I pretty much exfoliate until all the water is pretty much gone and it just feels really dry and grainy on my face. And that's the point where I go and rinse this off. Okay, this is rinsed off and my face is dried again. Now, to be honest with you, I think when I do use this a couple times a week, what I'm going to do is wash my face, then exfoliate, then go in with the toner. Again, I was a little bit confused today. I had a bunch of products with me. I didn't know exactly what order I should be doing them in, but I think from like here on out, that's the order I'm going to kind of follow. I actually do have another product here. This is a moisturizer, but I felt like I still wanted to do a mask and kind of kept it the first impression. So I did get a bunch of Glam and Glow samples. You guys know that I do have my my little pony Gravity Glow facial mud mask, but I wanted to try one of these because I've done that before on camera. So this one is a firming treatment, and I feel like we definitely used this black one at some point. This is an exfoliation treatment, so we won't do the black one since we just exfoliated. And then this one is a hydrating treatment. So I think I've used both the blue and the black once at least. So we're going to try this purple one, I guess. So this is the, again, firming treatment. Apply a generous, even layer to clean skin. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Treatment will change color as it dries. Okay. Oh, I think this was like, there was like a silver one, and I think this is it. Yeah, it is. It's like actually almost a pearl white. But we're going to let's go ahead and apply this all over the skin just to make my application process a little bit easier. I am going to switch over to this foundation. What? Oh gosh. I'm going to switch over to this foundation brush that I use specifically for face masks. Oh, what a weird smell. Mask is applied, and now that I'm looking like the freaking Tin Man, I guess we'll wait 20 to 30 minutes and we'll bring you guys back. So it's like, again, this pearly kind of white, kind of silver color. I'm curious to what color it's supposedly gonna change to. I guess we're gonna find out together. Okay, so it's definitely been well over a half hour. I got super into my editing, but still, even after about an hour, I'm not seeing the color change. I don't know what the heck they were talking about, so we're gonna go ahead and wipe this off. It's definitely firm. It's not like a peel away mask. We're gonna have to use some water to help us, but my face feels very, very tight. So let's go ahead and get this off my face. I don't know what the heck is going on, but this is not wanting to come off, and I feel like I'm drowning a little bit, so I'm gonna use a little more cleanser to help me hopefully break up this mask a little bit. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is definitely not wanting to come off completely. I have been sitting here scrubbing my face now for several minutes, and this just little patch up here does not want to come off, but luckily it came off easily using a towel. After I've patted my skin pretty much dry, we have one more product to try. Now this is from Neutrogena as well. This is the Deep Moisture Night Cream, and the reason that I got a night cream moisturizer versus an all-day moisturizer is because I will from time to time, especially if my skin is really, really dry, but I don't really use a lot of moisturizers right in the morning, especially if I'm using makeup, because I feel like it breaks up my makeup quite a bit. Now if I wake up and my face feels completely dry and completely dehydrated, I'll throw a little bit on, but really the nighttime is where I do most of my moisturizing. So this says it intensely moisturizes without a heavy, greasy feel. So this is what the packaging looks like. It honestly kind of looks like a tub of Vicks Vapor Rub. Am I not? This is Vapor Rub. This is moisturizer. So the packaging is not the cutest. I feel like they definitely could have done something a little bit better with that, but that doesn't mean the product is no good. So we screw it off and it's just a little white cream. Again, you get quite a bit, so I'm happy about that. I'm gonna take some right off of the cap here. Let's go ahead and apply this. This feels good. It feels really, really thick. It kind of feels like a body butter versus just a lotion. So really thick, but I'm hoping that throughout the night it will penetrate my face and help me wake up a little more hydrated than normal. So that is actually it. Those are all the products that I bought for today's video. I'm so glad that we actually got to try out everything, including a Glam Glow mask. So this one, it's officially done, so I only have these 2 samples left. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me tonight. I know it was kind of just a more casual video. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and leave a big thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any new videos, please go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.